Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is the cosine rule, the second tool for any triangle, used when the sine rule won't fit. By the end of this video, you'll know both versions, the side formula and the angle formula, and exactly when to reach for each. Definition. For any triangle with sides A, B and C, opposite angles A, B and C, the side formula is A squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine A. The angle formula is cosine A equals b squared plus c squared minus a squared all over 2bc, two faces of the same rule. Key insight. Use the cosine rule when you have SAS, i.e. two sides and the included angle, or SSS, three sides. The side formula gives you the missing third side when you have SAS. The angle formula gives you a missing angle when you have SSS. Different inputs, different version. Common mistake, mixing the side formula and the angle formula up. The side formula starts with A squared. The angle formula starts with cosine A. If you find yourself dividing the wrong way, you've used the wrong version. Write both down on your paper at the start of the question and pick. Quick example. A triangle with sides 5 and 7 included angle 60 degrees. Find the third side. So use the side formula. Third side squared equals 25 plus 49 minus 2 times 5 times 7 times cosine 60. That's 64 minus 35 equals 39. So the third side equals root 39, which is roughly 6.24.